Today I am going to cover this Lepidagathis I think it's called incurva or something like that. This one, it's one of that Lepidagathis that is evolved to survive on moist stream sides. There's a stream. Then just couple of days back I covered one Veteria indica. That one. So this is a nice moist location. That moist air comes from there, moisture laden air. Then it is the stream side, so this plant can't really take inundation and serious wetness. Some short period it might tolerate, otherwise it is it likes this moist but not not submerged. So I have got a very nice specimen, and we can look at it and discuss it. Whatever little I know about it, I can tell. First we'll have a look. That white flower, these flowers are white with brown dots. Then this Lepidagathis, there are about maybe half a dozen to 1 dozen species of that in India. And there is one Lepidagathis cristata that is very beautiful. Then Lepidagathis that Kerelensis I have covered. It's a plant I greatly like. Then little bit I can now tell about this plant while we look at it. It's called curved Lepidagathis, and then it's a perennial, nearly erect. So you can see it is kind of spreading, but then it is going erect. Then white brown spotted flowers. So these tiny flowers are, you can see that brown spot. Then apart from that, it is occurring from lower subtropical hills of Himalayas from Punjab to Bhutan, then Assam, and then this Bangladesh, Burma, and that northeastern states. Then Malaysia, Andaman Island, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, China, all the way like that. And then this what I am showing is this natural kind of location where it occurs wild in nature. And in a little shady place, that leaves they get a white kind of a stripe in the middle. Here you can see there is a little, that central line is marked. So that is one more reason. And it grows well in pots and all, and particularly balcony gardens, because it likes shade. And then so I've tried growing it. It does well. And people who are interested in native plants and all, this is a good plant for them. And also who are not advanced gardeners, this is quite hardy and easy to grow. Purve, we will have a little look at the surrounding area, then I'll close this video. That is the curved Lepidagathis. And along with that, on the sides, this is one of that adiantum. It's related to that lady fern, but it is little different. Purvi, that fruit is here, full ripened fruit. Your pandanus fruit. Illide, but you have to get into the water. And it's a bit pokey. If you are adventurous, you can anyway photograph it if you want. Water is not dirty. Not dirty. It's just little muddy. So there you can see that pandanus fruit has fallen down. Huh? No, I have spoken to her.
Okay, I think she doesn't know me.
She'll be wondering. I'll talk to her. Let it be. Just ignore. I have spoken to her husband and all. I'm just, I finished that plant. I'm just covering the surrounding. What is there? This one also is there. Like you slide down. Let me see down. This is that Canscora. They all occupy this kind of moist stream bed kind of situation. They like that high humidity. ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದು ಆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡು there on that over there. Come forward another 1 feet. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ that pineapple kind of thing. See, it's a relative of the pineapple, so it looks also like a pineapple.
Oh, so cool. Oh, Daddy. Wow.
It will be nice to cut it open and see, but you will need to wear gloves.
Oh, it looks nice.
It's an armed fruit. There baby pandanus is also growing here. Then there is one more called Neonatis. I think it's called Neonatis pneumonifolia or something like that. Pneumoniana. That also I saw here just now it's disappeared. Okay, we'll have one last look at that Lepidagathis, and then I'll close this video. See, you can go underneath and photograph that tree if you like. I'm getting out of the water.
Oh, finally.
It has some nice fish are there here. So that is the quite inconspicuous little plant, but it's nice for small shady balconies and all, ideal.